But of course, Ms. Malu, there were withdrawal of witnesses from the prosecution side. It was done yesterday and the other day. What do you think about it? What does this signal?
Well, I am surprised because Attorney Zulueta Lopez was supposed to be, how do you call this?
A hostile
A
witness.
witness, a hostile witness, thank you. A hostile witness of the prosecution. The fact that they surprised everyone with that and there was a list, so many list of names, ako ang sense ko it was propaganda eh. You come up with one charge which is for them the biggest chance of conviction, which is grave threat, and then all of a sudden you withdraw the hostile witness. My sense there is the two witnesses presented by the prosecution was not able to establish intent. Bakit nagkaganon si BP? No? Parating tinatanong. Yung una, sinasabi niya wala daw siyang personal knowledge. Ito naman pangalawa, puro technical problems with the subpoena and the affidavit. And then, you know, when once asked, do you think that there was intent? Sa palagay daw nila, may kinuha ng assassin pero wala siyang personal knowledge. Those are not conclusive, no? So, ang sense ko, yung pag-withdraw is Attorney Lopez will be able to say to the trial court that yes, I was there, yes, this happened to me, and that is why the vice president went to my custodian room and was able to say that. Kasi ang kailangan i-establish doon, bakit nagtawag ng press conference na madaling araw?
Right.
The intent was really to stop transferring Attorney Lopez to the Women's Correctional at Dawn. Bakit? So, yun yung hindi ko maintindihan ba't sila nag-withdraw, and then nag-withdraw sila in the middle of everything, you know. Of course, they said, you know, redundancy, surplusage, etc.
For them kasi na-establish na daw nila yung betrayal of public trust.
Pero dapat tinanong mo, bakit nagkaganon? Ba't yung utterances, no? Parating sinasabi ni Attorney Lotok, the utterances determines a pattern. So bakit nagkaroon ng utterances na ganon? Yun ang hindi natin nakita kasi kung pumunta dun yung si Attorney Lopez at saka yung isa kasi is the, I think, Sergeant at Arms at the time.
Ng House of Representatives.
Oo.
Bello,
So
Captain Bello.
mako-connect mo dun sa ini-establish nung dalawang nauna. Ngayon, yung kay Matibag, that's a surprise. There's talk going around that he will claim that there is an assassin, but he cannot reveal it because of national security. So, you know, it's weaponizing the whole process. Let's just establish what is the evidence, what are the evidence, and are the witness fit, and they have personal knowledge of what happened. Yun ang kailangan para hindi nagugulo yung nangyayari at naiintindihan ng taong bayan ano ba talaga itong grave threat.